Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, this is another instructional video on a STEM topic. So for this video, we're going to be going through some tips and tricks on pictures, on inserting and formatting some pictures within Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. So I always say, whenever we're using technology, we always want to try and make sure that we're using consistent vocabulary so that we're talking in the sense that the same terminology. So it's better and more easier to understand. So when we're talking about inserting a picture, so I'm going to look up here, and as I notice, we have an insert tab. So if I want to insert a picture, I'm going to click on the insert tab and you'll see pictures up here. Now, there are two different types of, of pictures that you can insert. If I have a picture that I saved on my computer, then I'm going to choose pictures from here. If I want to look on a search engine, and PowerPoint uses Bing, if I want to look on a search engine and get a picture, that will be online pictures. So, but the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to insert a picture from my computer. So I'm going to click on pictures. And then over here, again, you need to navigate on your computer wherever you have your pictures. So I'm going to I'm going to go to my pictures folder, and then I'm going to choose a picture that I have, and I'm going to choose cupcakes. Okay. Excuse me. And then I'm going to go ahead and insert that picture. Now, just like you can do with any other picture, you can resize your picture to whatever you want it to be. Okay. Now, some other things that you can do, if I wanted to insert a picture from online, I'm going to go back to my Insert tab and then Online Pictures. Now, you can find whatever topic or theme that you want. So if you were looking up birthday cupcakes, you would look up birthday cupcakes. So birthday cupcakes. And then what Microsoft or what Bing will do is Bing will pull up cupcakes along with the happy birthday theme. So I'm going to choose this and I'm going to insert that picture. So those are two different ways in which to insert pictures. Okay. This one was saved on my computer, and the one on the right that says happy birthday was submitted online. Now, a couple of things that you can do with your pictures. Okay. Now we're going to start talking some formatting. Okay. So just you see how the border of this particular picture, it just stands out. Now, just if I wanted that to blend into my background a little bit, some of the things that I can do is I can click on my picture effects, right? And then I can soften my edges a little bit. And if you see, um, it will, oh wait, I'm on the wrong picture. I'm going to let me click on this one and picture effects. And I can soften my edges, and you can now see it softens the edges of your picture a little bit so that your picture blends in with your background a little bit better. Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to click on the picture and then I'm going to go to picture effects. I'm going to soften my edges and do that. I believe I was 10 points as well. So that's some cool things that you can do. But another cool thing, and again, I certainly do encourage you to reach out and explore PowerPoint yourself, but I'm just going to show you a few things. All right, so I'm going to click on this picture again. I'm going to go back to my picture effects. I think these are really some cool things you can do. You can do some 3D rotation with your pictures. And obviously, when you scroll over the picture will then orient itself as you are scrolling over. So these are different perspective views. Okay, and again, remember, perspective is point of view, and then parallel is up to your viewpoint. There's some down here that are called oblique. Okay, so a couple tips and tricks that you can do: inserting pictures and then formatting some pictures, and then some 3D rotation. All right, so hope this was a great video for you, and be well.